morning. It's Monday. I am Eirelyn. If you are new, hello, welcome to my channel. If you have not seen the other 3 vlogs that I've done this month, go and check this out. This is the final one. Today I'm going to see my friend Chloe and we are doing our Christmas gift exchange. I haven't seen her. I checked my calendar. I haven't seen her since, like, to hang out. Like, we saw each other in Shoppers last week. But I haven't seen her to hang out since November 5th. I need a hangout. I probably won't vlog like a crazy amount while I'm there. Like, I may vlog a bit of us opening our gifts, because I do need to film her reaction to her gifts, because I started crying with laughter yesterday just thinking about it. You wouldn't know what I'm giving her unless you watched the last vlog, so it's Stardew Valley related, but we also play Rocket League and Stardew Valley, so I may try and vlog like some of that. But yeah, I'm hungry. I'm not going there until like at 1, so I'm gonna read for a little bit and eat food. But yeah, I'm also wearing my Care Bear shirt today. Any vlogs of you last time, because we weren't here. She looks so I'm just sorry, distracted.
Glad we both gave each other slightly random things.
This is
I think. That is terrifying.
just wait, it gets worse. Here's the shrine.
Oh my god! You're so cute! I put ours together because I was like, yeah,
they have to.
It might be a little bit sticky to open. Yeah, it requires a bit of a pop. I love that, I thought that it was like the coolest looking chunk ever.
That is.
I was like,
it's like,
it's magical. Again, nothing on the back because I'm comfortable.
oh, is it another crate?
It's like a, oh, again, a little ink. I sewed that, literally. Because originally, it's so.
Hey. Okay, he's going back in the box. Good morning. It's Tuesday. I didn't really get to vlog much last night when I got home. I didn't want to vlog a lot when I was hanging out with Chloe. I just wanted to hang out with Chloe. But her gifts were amazing. I didn't really get a chance to, like, I don't think show, like, these are our Hogwarts houses, like crests. So she put those together and then, like, you can see Hogwarts. And then I don't remember if I showed the little cat she sewed, but she sewed a little cat. And then she also got me this crystal. Like, that is so cool, right? And then the, like, book of my book. My book actually fits in that. But I'm seeing my boyfriend today. But I'm having, like, I don't want to say it's a dilemma, but I think it's a dilemma. Oh, it also snowed, which is just exciting. But I have the dilemma where I'm like, I deserve to rest because I'm done school. But I want to do so many things because I'm done school. So I'm then just stuck in this in-between of being like, I don't know what to do. And it's just, like, I feel like I get that every year near the end of the year where I'm like, I want to do all these things, but at the same time, nothing. I'm gonna try and, like, clean up my room a bit. I'm tempted to take my tree out, but I think I'm just gonna clean up my room a bit because then I will maybe feel more productive to, like, do things that I want to do, like write the 3rd book in my fantasy series, because I really want to do that, but at the same time I'm just like, also want to read just books. I just want to read, so. But yeah, so. I believe that this is vlog worthy. So my mom got me a 20 Years of Harry Potter edition, a Hufflepuff edition, because I'm a Hufflepuff, of the Philosopher's Stone. Okay. I didn't look in the book. I don't know why. There's so much fun stuff in it. There's a map. Does every Harry Potter book have a map? Because I have the Mina Lima special editions. Like, these are the ones that I'm getting to, like, have and read. So I'm like, oh yeah, this is just cool to have. There's a map? I could have known and visualized what Hogwarts looks like this whole time without having to reference the movies. Like, there's a map? This is how I read in my shelf. I brought up a bunch of those. I got some books over there. Specifically, those bottom three I got at my placement, which I think, like, amazing. There's like a thrift store at my placement, and somebody donated a first edition Cursed Child, a first edition Fantastic Beasts, and a Spanish, I think, edition of Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. So I'm like, these are mine. They're like, we're just gonna throw out any books that we don't think are good quality. And I'm like, can I take these? And they're like, yeah. I'm like, so, you know.
Are you in your bucket? Are you in your bucket? Okay, thank you.
It is 1:46. I just finished this book. That is not a nice cliffhanger to end on. I am going to throw hands with David. I will fight him.
Did I put you in your Christmas sweater? Do you not know how to move? You're okay. You're okay. Oh, you're such a posing man.
I just found pants that I didn't even know I had. Like, look at how fancy they are. Anyway, I have been reading for the whole morning. I'm enjoying reminiscing in this book. There's some things that have changed and some things that haven't changed. There's more like world building, I guess you could say. But yeah, I think I'm gonna make another tea. But I'm happy with my outfit today because I didn't know I had these pants. And they are very comfortable. Hello. I'm home. Me and my mom went out for dinner. I was just writing for most of the day. I'm planning on just reading for the rest of the night. That's kind of my plan. I look bald. No idea what I vlogged yesterday, but like I made a decent, I have this half left to read, like this whole side right here. I'm on page 218, chapter 21. So you know, I'm chunking my way through this book. So I'm gonna read more of that tonight. I got this book today. Look how pretty it is. Look at them. You can see yourself, but look at them. And like, have you ever seen a brown hardcover? Stunning.